Hi, you're welcome to today's tutorial, which is construction of a triangle using division of lines. So let's start. At this point, we'll draw a horizontal line using our T-square, and after drawing that line, we'll create an acute angle. A line that's less than 30, we'll draw it, but this one I'm using 30 degrees presently. Then pick up your compass, pair of compass, open it to a suitable radius, then put it on this acute angle and start marking. You'll be marking into 12 different places. So after getting these 12 different places markings, then you now connect each according to the ratio, the required ratio. Now we are done. After doing that, we are going to connect the last point, the 12th point, to the point B on the line AB. So now to get the rest of our parallel lines, so that our division will be equal. So now connect the 12th point to the point B. You set this using your set square. So after aligning your set square so that you can be able to produce this parallel line, or using adjustable set square in line with your T-square, you produce these parallel lines, the 12 of them. Now take it gradually till we get to the end. Now we've gotten to the last point. So after getting the last point, so we'll now start selecting our division. The first division is 3, so count 1, 2, 3. So getting the third point there, we'll now put the pin of our compass there, then open to the starting point, which is A. From A, we describe an arc. Now we're going to stop at this point, then move to the second division. So the second ratio is 4. So but at this point we take the total ratio, which is 7. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So we'll now move to the 7th point, put our pin there, then open our compass, put it at the 12th point. So we'll now describe our arc to go and meet the first one that we made. Now the point where both of them meet is E. So now this point E will connect to the point C and also connect to point D. So pick our ruler. From that point, we'll connect to point C. So drag it from this point straight to C. So we'll draw that, set your ruler properly, then we'll connect it. We'll stop at this point. Then after that, we'll turn our ruler so that we can be able to connect it. Since this is the last or the major part of our drawing, we need to make it bold. So we tilt our ruler again so that we can connect it to the point D. Then from that point we'll get our triangle in the ratio of 3 to 4 to 5. So that is how we get our triangle. So for emphasis, we change the color to red. We're going to change the color to highlight it, but for you need to darken it. Not that you use red marker, no, or red pencil. So you need to make your own darker because that's the major point here. So thank you for viewing this video and enjoy yourself.